Bright. Bill. Bright Bill. Is that satisfactory?
Right, Bill? Processing. Beep, beep, boop, boop. Satisfactory.
You swam satisfactorily today, and if you keep practicing...
I still won't belong.
I understand.
You don't understand anything. You don't feel anything.
But you're my friend, and I never had one before. I need you. What if I get lost, or he's hurt, or what if I need to tell you something and you're not here?
This is my migration, and when it is time, I promise I will find my way home.